Notice the overlapping text. We need to go back and correct the master slide template.
Select the appropriate template boxes and resize so that they are no longer overlapping. This adjustment should have solved our problem, so let's take a look at the normal view to confirm. Wonderful! Our next step is to add a slide between slide 4 and slide 5. So let's click in the position where we want the new slide to be inserted. We are required to add bulleted points and a chart, so our best option is to select the comparison slide. We can add the title ease of use in the box that shows click to add title. The two boxes which shows click to add text will not be needed, so let's delete these two boxes. A little tidying up now so the heading is in the correct position. Our boxes are overlapping the image area. We will need to resize these three boxes to fit the main area. We can now add our bulleted points. 86% of students found it easy to use and 120 students in the sample. Second comparison column, we need to select the graph icon so we can insert a chart. Let's select a pie chart. The data is ideal for this type of graph. We'll need to edit the data in the spreadsheet, so our title state students and the three categories easy, difficult, and no response are shown with the numbers 103, 12 and 5. We can now close the spreadsheet window. A small tweak with the box sizes so the data is clearly within our main area. We are next required to add a title hint and tips, and subtitle for IGCSE students on the first slide. Our final task is to format the font type and size, color and alignment for headings, subheadings and bullet points. We need to return to the Slides Master Office theme slide to do this. You can see we need to tweak the sizes to avoid these boxes from overlapping. We adjust the heading font size to 40 points, font type to serif, font color to dark blue, and left align. Edit the bullet points. We select the first line in the bullet points. We are asked to select blue color, font type serif, center align and font size 30 points. I am sorry, I made a mistake and selected the incorrect settings. We were actually asked to set the bullet points to font color black, font size 24 points, sans serif font and left align. Let's readjust that now. Much better. To change the setting to the subheadings, this is not possible on the Office theme slide. We have to select the title slide layout and there we can edit the subheadings to font color blue, font size 30 points, font type to sans serif and center aligned. Have completed our task. Before we finish we need to check the normal view and check the settings are as required. To add notes to certain slides, go to View Normal Mode and find the Notes area at the bottom of the screen. Add notes to slide 1, first select slide 1, then add Welcome to this presentation giving you useful hints and tips on using Microsoft PowerPoint for your IGCSE practical examination. Add notes to slide 2, select slide 2, then add the presentation that you are watching is made using PowerPoint. Notes to slide 4, select slide 4, then add hyperlinks can be used to give different paths or to open external websites or documents. Add notes to slide 5, select slide 5, then add graphs and charts can be added to enhance a presentation. Insert a picture into slide 7. First select slide 7. Insert menu, select the icon picture to insert a picture. place the file on my desktop for ease of discovery, called slogan JPG. Required to crop the section below the red line, including the red line. Resize this picture so that it maintains aspect ratio as well as being small enough to leave 1 centimeter to the left, right and below. Finally, we need to adjust the brightness and contrast so that the pale yellow background becomes invisible. Thank you for studying presentation authoring with me.